Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is those turbos here. Today I'm gonna show you how to install the Adro carbon fiber V2 diffuser on the Kia Stinger, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and I just have the diffuser right here placed for now, and we're just gonna go ahead and drill the holes needed for the installation, and go from there. Then I'll attach the sides and drill the holes, and it's super easy. But I'm gonna try to show everything so you guys can see for yourself how to properly install the diffuser. So stay tuned for that.
Connection was disconnecting from the source within. There were parts of my core, senseless and frozen. Wisdom hidden, locked up in my soul. Oh, now it's the time to realign, reconnecting my foundation, reunite. Oh, I'm digging, got my feet on solid ground. No more levitation.
Okay guys, so then you're gonna go ahead and remove these two clips right here that sit on where the holes are gonna be for the diffuser. Gonna be one on this side, one on the other side. So you just go ahead and take them out and replace them with the bolts and nuts that are provided with the kit, and you'll be good. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the installation completed. So under the car will have these the two bolts that hold the factory fake tips. You just gotta take those out, and then this factory clips, you just take them all out, and then you place the diffuser side, and then you just bolt it back up. And then for here, there's a clip that comes with factory. You just take that clip out, then you use the bolt provided by Adro, and then you just place the spacer they provide you with both sides, and that's it for that. Same on the other side, and that's it. Here you see the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. It's raining, so it's kind of cloudy. Not gonna be able to notice it that much, but it looks perfect. Now I just gotta change this black parts to carbon fiber to make it look like nice. And then I'm gonna do the mirror caps, the M style carbon fiber, and then the side vents. And bro, this is gonna look good. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.